Service mode on a Tesla Model Y is an advanced diagnostic and technical menu primarily used by certified technicians. It provides access to in-depth troubleshooting tools, software update functionalities, and maintenance options not available to regular users. Think of it as a behind-the-scenes interface for vehicle experts. Service mode is crucial for maintaining Tesla Model Y vehicles. It allows certified technicians to diagnose and resolve issues efficiently, preventing small problems from becoming major repairs. The mode provides essential access to detailed data logs, precise calibration tools, and firmware controls. These features enable technicians to monitor vehicle systems and make accurate adjustments. Service mode specifically addresses complex issues such as battery degradation, sensor malfunctions, and software glitches that require specialized diagnostic capabilities. Beyond reactive fixes, service mode supports proactive maintenance by identifying potential issues before they cause failures. Overall, these capabilities significantly reduce repair times, improving vehicle reliability and owner satisfaction. To access the basic service mode, rapidly tap the Tesla T logo at the top center of the touchscreen 4 times. You might then be prompted to enter a service PIN. Note that the default PIN 00000 in older models may not work on newer software versions, and specific functions may require authentication with Tesla. Entering Tesla's service mode without proper authorization carries significant risks. Unauthorized adjustments can cause vehicle malfunctions, leading to unexpected system failures that affect drivability. This access can void your vehicle's warranty, leaving you responsible for all repair costs. There are potential safety risks, as improper settings might compromise critical safety systems. Activating incorrect features can damage the vehicle's systems, requiring expensive repairs. Tesla's anti-tamper locks can be triggered, making the vehicle inoperable until professional service intervention. Service centers rely on service mode for critical diagnostics. For example, technicians access the thermal system menus to identify and resolve overheating issues in the Model Y, such as faults in the liquid-cooled condenser located near the firewall. This was particularly relevant in 2025 recalls affecting thousands of vehicles. Another key application is software management. During autopilot beta tests, service mode enables technicians to roll back firmware to previous stable versions, ensuring vehicle safety and preventing issues. This capability was crucial during the 2023 autopilot beta testing phase. However, misuse can occur. In a 2024 incident, a YouTuber accessed service mode to demonstrate tire pressure recalibration menus. This unauthorized access prompted Tesla to issue a security patch, locking menus without technician verification to prevent similar breaches. Some Tesla owners have faced unintended consequences. Reports from forums like Tesla Motors Club indicate touchscreen freezes after entering service mode, as seen in a 2026 case study where an owner checked FSD data, causing temporary interface issues. Experts estimate that 70% of unauthorized service mode entries lead to minor issues, such as reset configurations, while 5 to 10% risk hardware damage. Tesla's diagnostics via service mode can reduce repair times by 40% compared to traditional methods. Service mode-related queries account for 15% of Tesla's support tickets. This is how service mode appears on a Tesla vehicle's screen, where diagnostics and statistics are accessed. Service mode is a powerful diagnostic tool designed exclusively for certified Tesla technicians who have the proper training and equipment to use it safely. Unauthorized access to service mode carries significant risks, including potential vehicle malfunctions, safety issues, or warranty voidance. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a guide for attempting to access or modify your Tesla's systems. Always consult a Tesla service center for professional diagnostics and repairs to ensure your vehicle's safety and proper functioning.